Let me show you how to fix the screen colors on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So perhaps if your screen has started to look very weird, basically in some shade of color, maybe like green, like purple, like orange or red or whatever color that is completely off. So see how it's like very red here, for example. So see can't understand anything here. So what you have to do is you simply have to find your settings and then navigate to the accessibility settings here. Okay, and over here, vision enhancements. Okay, and you want to see what's actually enabled here. By default, basically, especially how this stuff often gets enabled, basically in these shortcuts, sometimes basically you accidentally press something and they have like quick toggles basically for some of these settings. So you simply like find and disable everything basically here. So you see, make sure none of this stuff is enabled. For example, especially for color correction, make sure this is off. And also the filters as well, make sure it's off. So you see, return to the normal. So again, verify what's actually enabled here and disable everything, essentially. So as you see, if you, for example, swipe down here in these quick settings, by default, you even have some things that can cause this. So you see, if you click here, edit, add controls here. So you see, let's see what can cause it. For example, okay, so accessibility settings. So you see, you have the color inversion, filters, correction. So by default, you have some of them. I have removed all the junk basically. So sometimes you accidentally even press them without even realizing, and that's how you enable this stuff. Okay, good luck.